Hey, welcome back to Cincy Fish Dudes. My name is Paul. So we had some flash floods. The creeks, the rivers, completely blown out. Just a mess. It'll be a while before we'll be getting back in those. So I don't know. Let's go out here to this rock quarry. Take the kayak. It's been a month or two since I've been out in the kayak. See what we can get. We're going to be fishing today with the Honorable Matt. Matt's fishing mission, link in the description below. And let's see what we can get on today. Let's start off with a crankbait. And while I get all prepped up here, Matt and I were in the creek. We were in a tributary to Little Miami River right before these torrential storms came through and just wiped everything out. We didn't catch much because I guess the fish knew. And well, here's a catch.
So Paul, we're gonna do both sides of the water column. I'm going a little bit deeper. Paul's going top. Paul has what I call the ASMR of fishing. There's nothing more satisfying than the sound of a plopper just around the top of the water.
There we go.
Well, I heard that gulp.
Looks like I spot it. On the plopper. You know, from a video we posted, I don't know, about a month ago, where Matt caught like 10 whopper ploppers in 10 minutes. They're all spotted. They love these things. Matt, we might be on right away. All right.
Oh, first 2 minutes. Crank City.
Hopefully that's a good sign.
Alright, the wind is pushing me faster than I want.
Might be a late season spawner here, but. All right, we're on the board, 13-inch bass. Let's put them back gently into the water. That was nice. My first kayak fish in a long time.
Right at the gate too. That's always a good way to get the day started. Like, we know there's fish biting.
Yeah. Right now I'm throwing this Cast Cray square belly sexy shad pattern. Had a killer day with this, I think back in May. I'll link to that video at the end of this. Just a really good rock quarry gravel pit type of crankbait. Man, I think I got some.
Yeah.
Get on the boat.
All cranking on.
Getting on.
Literally and figuratively.
You know, Matt, it's only been on these 2 points that we hit. Are they on the points today? All right, we just have a 12-inch largemouth, and we're on the crankbait, hitting these points. That's the only place I've been catching them. I've only got 2 on the board, but both have been on points. We got a little friend, a little hitchhiker. Matches my shirt. He's got the same kind of blue.
There's a little cool green thumbs right there.
That's a good sign. Oh, yes, it's right there again. There's another one. What are those big? They have to be carp, I guess. Oh my gosh, Matt.
Whoa, what is that?
It's a paddlefish.
Shut up.
It's a paddlefish. Yeah, long paddlefish. we got something. Nothing. Speak to new. All right, I think we got something. Nothing big. But we are back on the board with another 12 to 13 inch largie. I did have a smallie chase this a couple minutes ago, right to the boat, smack it, then swim on. Another small 12-inch largemouth on the crankbait square belly by Cast Gray. That was a hit right before I pulled it, right before I got it out of the water. This smallmouth absolutely smacked it. There we go. Really cool little patterns on it. Let's give a quick look. Pretty much right on the money, 12 inch. Are all my fish gonna be 12 inch today? 12-inch smallie, really nice spotted patterns. Let's put them back. Any luck out there?
One 12-incher on the crankbait.
As per usual, Matt and I are going to dock the boats up here on land and start walking the banks. It's really shallow around here, so it's nice to walk around some of these little side and all that kind of stuff. So let me get geared up here and we'll get at it. Looks like Matt's got a largemouth across the way there hitting that point. I mean, with these 12-mile-per-hour winds, if I want to hit that coast, I'm going to have to cast out here. I mean, just to get anything nice. Yeah, baby. Finally, it's been a while for me. First on the bank. I chose poorly.
Where's that from?
Huh?
What movie is that from?
Last Crusade.
There you go. Good night.
Yeah, Matt. Matt, this is a good one, I think. Decent. Probably my best. Man, I didn't even see him. He was like... I didn't even see him. Man, they are so shaky in this place. I understand. What up, yo? Look at Matt's fishing mission. Now you're on Paul's side quest. Nice. I'll do a little swim though. Boom, boom, pow, pow. Well, the good thing about this place is get done with one pond, there's one right behind it. It just doesn't stop.
Big old turtle.
Something's chasing me, Matt, and I got her. Oh no, right into, you see that?
Not.
I ran right into the thick grass and I lost it. It was probably 6 or 7 inch bass. It was awesome because that's all I saw was the white grub out there, and then I saw it disappear. So like I knew he was, oh, got it again.
Sunny?
New species. That's Big old fat Sonny. He's aggressive. He went for that thing twice. I thought it was a bass because he's got some muscle. Oh, wow. Gotta show Matt this one. If you can see the yellow
Look
tip.
at this. Yeah.
Look at this.
Look at the stripies on this other side too. If you turn him around. I saw this side and I was like, look at those. Look at those tiger stripes on him.
They often
That's
have
a
that
good
yellow.
looking Sonny, dude. Look at that. I've never seen him.
I know those tips. I don't know if I've seen that either.
That's cool.
Yeah, baby. Come on, first cast it. First cast. Second cast.
Second cast.
Nice. All right.
Hero got fish.
In his eyes. I was going to do the harmonies, but I didn't know what lyrics we were doing.
Oh. It's about the same what we've been catching all day,
That's right.
with the exception of Paul's last one, which is a nice one.
Do you like fishing?
A little bit. Not bad.
Good.
Probably about
Bass, some
15.
Good.
Thank you.
Beautiful day. Back to the yak.
Done.
All right, awesome. Segmented swim bait. This is an 8-inch green sunny, quite possibly the biggest my PB green sunny. Quite possibly. I thought it was a smallmouth. All right. I'm starving, I'm tired, and I am burnt. Look at Matt's knees. Fished this a rock quarry pretty much to ourselves today. Got some largies, probably my PB green sunny, a couple smallies. Saw some cool things. Maybe saw that. What was that? Spoonbill? Is that what it is? Yeah.
The elusive.
Wow.
Spoonbill.
I mean, there's some big things out here that we saw today. But the water clarity was beautiful.
I feel like this reservoir we treat as like a bass reservoir, which it is. It's a great bass reservoir, but we saw some Volkswagen-sized carp out in this place that absolutely deserve to be caught.
That's right. That's right. But we're gonna pack up and get out of here. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the bell, comment down below, and all that fun stuff. We'll be back in 1 week on Cincy Fish Do. Links to Matt's fishing mission in the description below.